Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how the JLG concept will work. Joint liability group, how we can disburse this loan and how the product also we can disburse while we can give the product while disbursing the loan. So in the ledger, I will go to the add to favorite. So here if I go to the stock in hand, you can see here I have created product mixer. So like this we can create the multiple products, like I have created juice grinder. Now if I go to the master setup, branch hierarchy, so here you can see under Maharashtra branch we have created Mumbai group, and if I search this group from the search bar G-Mumbai, so here you can see if I go to the star icon view members, 3 members are there. Now I will select first member and I will click to this file number. So for this member I want to give grinder and for amount of 1000. See, if tax applicable you can tick this box and just add. So after that Janvi, I will give you the juice grinder of amount 2000 rupees. Then I will go to the Madhuri and let's go to the file number, and here I will give the mixer of 3000. Now I will just add this. After that let's publish this group. So you can see 3 products we have we have given to the member 3, 1, 2 and 3. Just publish the group and I will just go to the create loan. So from here let's say amount is 10,000, rate of interest 2% monthly for 10 months. So you can decide by cash or bank. So I will take cash disbursement, and here in additional information I have added some charges that I want to delete. So after that let's view the member group member from here. So 3 members is there and product also 3. Now just calculate this loan. So here you can see installment amount is 1200 and projected interest is 2000, and you can just save this loan. So you can see loan number 30, 31, 32 created. We can search this from the search bar. Let's search this loan number 30. So here you can see all the information. So this customer is from Mumbai group and the disbursement amount is 10,000, interest is 2000. And if I go and check the passbook, so here you can see total recoverable amount is 12,000 and charges is 1000. So you can check the transaction as well. And if I go to the installment tracker, so for every month 1200 is the installment amount. So this type we can disburse this loan very easily to the customer, to the borrower as a group loan, and we can disburse the product as well. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.